Okay, I want to share with you this question because I believe this question may cause some confusion. Okay, this question is more on factors, whereas the question here from Nanhua, question 28 is more on multiplies. So you can actually go back to the videos for Nanhua question 28 to see what are the difference. Let me go through this question. Okay, problem A. Doris bought a box of 36 chocolates and a box of 45 sweets. She wants to repack it into smaller packets. Okay, what is the maximum number of packets she can pack this item equally without any leftover? What is the clue here? The clue is maximum number of packets without leftover. Okay, can you see back this question? Is there any leftover? Yes, there's leftover. So you cannot use the factor way to actually solve the problem. Okay, so I go back to this question. We must find the maximum number of packets. Maximum number in this case is the clue give us here is what? Is the what? Highest common factor of 36 and 45. So how we do the highest common factor? Okay, we'll do like that, okay? Right, 36 here, 45. What we can do, whenever you do a highest common factor, right? What we can do is, we start with the smallest prime number, okay? The smallest prime number in this case is 2. 36 can be divided by 2, right? But then 45 cannot be divided by 2. So that is out. The next one will be 3. So put here 3. When 36 divided by 3 will be 12, 15. Then we go back, this is the second line. Then we go back to 2 again. Can the two of them be divided? Is there any common factor for them to be divided by 2? No. So we go to 3 again. We always start with the lowest prime number. Okay. So this is 4 and 5. Okay. At this moment until here, we notice that they don't have any more common factor. Okay. So we have to stop here. How do you find the number of packets? It's very, very easy. Once we have the highest common factor, what you do here is you just, this is 3, right? The other one is also 3. So it's 3 times 3 equals 9 packets. So this will give us the A. For B, right? How many chocolates and sweets are there in each packet? Very easy. You know that there are 36 chocolates, right? Chocolates. So you divide by 9. This but when you divide by 9, then you can know that each packet will have how many chocolates inside the packets. You will have four chocolates. Okay, so one packet will be 9 packets, right? Then the other one will be 45 sweets. Divide by 9 will be 5 sweets. So one packet will have 4 chocolates and 5 sweets, and there will be 9 packets. That is the maximum number that they can pack, so that there will not be any remaining. Okay? Now we go to problem B. Why is it that I actually put these two problems together? Do you see that the two problems are very similar? But then he wants to know that, however, she wants to buy an equal number of chocolates and sweets. Okay? What was the minimum number of boxes? Minimum. Now I'm not looking for maximum. I'm looking for minimum number of boxes. Okay? So when see this minimum, right? I know that this is a factor problem sum. I'm looking for lower common factor. Okay, just in case you are not familiar how to look for lowest common factor of 36 and 45. So I will do here, we do this the same. At the start, it's the same, totally the same as the highest common factor. Until at one point, the highest common factor no longer work. That's the maximum for the highest common factor, right? At this point. So at this point, this is the highest for the highest common factor. So I maybe use another color. So we start with to do our minimum, the lowest common factor. It must always be divided by the lowest prime number, right? So at this case, remember when you start doing the lowest common factor, right? Here is the same portion as the highest common factor. Lowest common factor, not necessary that the two number have to be divided by that factor, okay? So I first start with 2. I say always start with the lowest, right? Prime number. So I have this 2, 5. So I start with 2 again. Can I repeat here? I will have 1, 5. Okay? So in this case, can I still go for 2? No. Then I go for 3? No. 4 is not a prime number, okay? Then I go for 5. Yes. Until I'll get 1, 1. So in this case, what is the lowest common factor of 36 and 45? Lowest common factor is of 36 and 45 will be 3 times 3, 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 5. You get 180 each. Okay? So, number of boxes of chocolates and number of boxes of sweets. You can easily find from this. Once I know that, so 180 divided by 36 chocolates. So, because one box have 36 chocolates, right? I will have 4 boxes. 5 boxes. 5 boxes of what? Chocolates. Okay, so 180 divided by 45, I will have 4 boxes of sweets.